We are so happy to today welcome our colleagues from the zoo, and they brought special friends, and actually we're seeing how they're reacting to art.
Taking care of wild animals at the Kansas City Zoo, we're always looking for ways to enrich their lives and stimulate their days. And during this shutdown period, our animals really miss having visitors come out and see them.
They seem definitely to react much better to Caravaggio than to Monet. And these are Peruvian penguins, so we were speaking a bit in Spanish and they really appreciated art history.
We were happy to visit and the penguins absolutely loved it.